So today I'll cook the chicken breast for post-compartment. So first we'll put a little olive oil on the frying pan. So we marinated this chicken breast with all the seasoning, ginger garlic paste, turmeric, chicken masala and all the spices. We'll put this now on the frying pan. This is coming off for the reach. Then just wait for 40 minutes to keep it.
A few moments later.
Now you can see the color, it's halfway cooked. See the texture of this chicken breast now. So now you can see this chicken is almost done. And you can see it's almost, like boiled. The chicken is almost cooked. If you press it, you can see it's breaking down, right? So almost is done.